Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to talk about robotics. The word robot conjures up a variety of images, from R2-D2 and C-3PO of Star Wars fame, to human-like machines that exist to serve their creators, perhaps in the form of the cooking and cleaning Rosie in the popular cartoon series The Jetsons, to the rover Sojourner, which explored the Martian landscape as part of the Mars Pathfinder mission. Some people may alternatively perceive robots as dangerous technological ventures that will someday lead to the demise of the human race, either by outsmarting or outmuscling us and taking over the world, or by turning us into completely technology-dependent beings who passively sit by and program robots to do all of our work. In fact, the first use of the word robot occurred in a play about mechanical men that are built to work on factory assembly lines and that rebel against their human masters. These machines in R.U.R. Rossum's Universal Robots, written by Czech playwright Karl Čapek in 1921, got their name from the Czech word for slave. The word robotics was also coined by a writer. Russian-born American science fiction writer Isaac Asimov first used the word in 1942 in his short story, Runabout. Asimov had a much brighter and more optimistic opinion of the robot's role in human society than did Čapek. He generally characterized the robots in his short stories as helpful servants of man and viewed robots as a better, cleaner race. Asimov also proposed 3 laws of robotics that his robots, as well as sci-fi robotic characters of many other stories, followed. Law 1. A robot may not injure a human being or, through inaction, allow a human being to come to harm. Law 2. A robot must obey the orders given it by human beings except where such orders would conflict with the first law. Law 3. A robot must protect its own existence as long as such protection does not conflict with the first or second law. The earliest robots as we know them were created in the early 1950s by George C. Devol, an inventor from Louisville, Kentucky. He invented and patented a reprogrammable manipulator called Unimate, from Universal Automation. For the next decade, he attempted to sell his product in the industry, but did not succeed. In the late 1960s, businessman, engineer Joseph Engelberger acquired Devol's robot patent and was able to modify it into an industrial robot and form a company called Unimation to produce and market the robots. For his efforts and successes, Engelberger is known in the industry as the father of robotics. Academia also made much progress in the creation of new robots. In 1958 at the Stanford Research Institute, Charles Rosen led a research team in developing a robot called Shaky. Shaky was far more advanced than the original Unimate, which was designed for specialized, industrial applications. Shaky could wheel around the room, observe the scene with his television eyes, move across unfamiliar surroundings, and to a certain degree, respond to his environment. He was given his name because of his wobbly and clattering movements. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the future. Robotics is an interdisciplinary field that merges elements of engineering, computer science, and even psychology to design, build, and operate robots. These machines can range from simple automated devices to complex humanoid beings. Robotics encompasses everything from the mechanisms that enable movement to the algorithms that govern decision-making. One of the primary goals of robotics is to create machines that can perform tasks autonomously, either independently or with minimal human intervention. This autonomy can range from simple pre-programmed movements to advanced decision-making based on sensory input and learning algorithms. Robots are utilized in various industries and applications, including manufacturing, healthcare, exploration, defense, and even entertainment. In manufacturing, robots are often employed to perform repetitive tasks with precision and efficiency, leading to increased productivity and reduced costs. In healthcare, robots assist surgeons in performing delicate procedures with greater accuracy, and they can also be used for tasks like medication delivery and patient care in hospitals and care facilities. In recent years, there has been a significant focus on developing robots with advanced capabilities such as machine learning and artificial intelligence. These robots can adapt to changing environments, learn from experience, and make decisions based on complex data analysis. For example, autonomous vehicles utilize AI algorithms to navigate roads and make real-time decisions to ensure safe and efficient travel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.